Okay, so here we have a 2008 Jeep Liberty. Replacing the brake line on this. So the brake line you have is probably, connected here, and you're wondering how to get it off. Well, you can't. It's molded into the brake line itself. So what you have to do is cut this brake line, clean it all up. I know my camera kind of sucks, but clean all that up, get all the paint off of it. And what you're going to do is take this nut off of this new brake line you got. Okay, I've already got the new caliper and bracket and rotor and all that in there. Put a new wheel bearing in this thing. Yada yada yada. Anyways, slide your nut on there, and then you're gonna take your flare kit. You're gonna slide that flare kit on there. See if I can post this up. Probably, maybe. Anyways, there we go, that might work. Take your flare kit. Take your flare kit. Go ahead and position that on there. Now you want that line to stick out a little bit. Obviously, if you've done a flare before, you should know this. But if you haven't, you want about 3 millimeters or so of that line sticking out. Make sure that's good and tight. That's messy, so have yourself some gloves. But you can see that that line is sticking out a little ways. Then you're going to take your flare tool, stick that on there, position it just right. Make sure that's on there well. Let's see if we can shed some light on this situation. Really can't see. And then go ahead and make your flare. And basically what you want to do is crank on this thing until you feel it bottom out. There we go. Pop that off. Loosen up your jig here. And slide that out. And now you have a flare at the end of this. You see, there's your flare now. I know my camera sucks, but I hope this video helped. And of course, once you get that on there, that profile there should match up pretty good. And there's your flare for your new brake line. Again, hope this video helped. Yeah, have a good one.